Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Kizer Feist. I really don't know how to pronounce this guy. Is the Blade HQ exclusive Jade G10 and blacked out M390. Still pretty good looking knife. So we're gonna go ahead and just take this guy apart. Starting from the pivot screw, blacked out. I like this Panda configuration right over here. Pretty cool. Yeah, we gotta switch to a T6 for the back right over here. And we're gonna tackle the lock side, so we should be good to go. Just release the tension, wiggle a little bit, scales comes out, and you get some bearings on the inside, which they don't want to just come out. So I'm gonna maybe that's tight. Very good. Here we go. So now I'm just gonna grab an alcohol swab like this guy over here, and I will just clean it up. So starting from the blade, sometimes I'm worried that the alcohol will ruin the coating, but it shouldn't, right? Anyways, if it did, it's too late. There's some removed, of course, but we want this clean, so we're gonna clean this up right on the inside, on the inset, sorry, not inlay, inset liner, and done. That's it, guys. Yeah, actually this looks good. So pretty much, straightforward. Now on pivot is captive, which is a good thing. Then I'm just gonna do 1, 2, and 3 drops on this side. There you go. Second bearing is in. It's an interesting material, very tight, I have to say. And here, like again, 1, 2, and 3, and just we're gonna do 1 right here, like there, just a tiny drop on the detent ball. Actually looks good. This, I really like this guy. Remove the tension and just get the knife like so. With your T6 that's already in place, I'm just gonna do the handle screw right here, and these are tiny screws, guys, so just don't over tighten anything because it's like not fun. So this guy, because we have a captive pivot, we can actually use some of the blue Loctite just to coat the thread of the pivot screw. Just screw that in, close, otherwise it's gonna dry out. And now you just spread a little bit of that oil. Okay, checking centering, yeah, snappy, love it. Let me see what the index can do. Yeah, thumb, easy. So there's no drop shot effect. Maybe I tighten this fella too much. I'm just gonna do maybe a little bit less, still centered, no play. Maybe you can do a little bit less. Tiny bit off, eh? Is it centered? Tiny bit off. That bugs me. Either you're centered or you're not. And that's it. That's centered 100%. And the action is pretty good. I mean, we have a very lightweight blade, which is an amazing EDC, especially for the summer coming up. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this fella in the comment down below. And stay tuned.